So I have posted a post on my Instagram and automatically that same post is posted on my X too, which is formerly Twitter. And yes, I did this without knowing even a single line of programming or coding language. How? With the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you also want to create this automation between Instagram and X, which is formerly Twitter, then for that you have to follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. So come, I'll show you how we're going to create this amazing automation. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you're an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder, and a window something like this will appear in front of you. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that Pabbly Connect's landing page URL. You're going to get the option of sign up for free in the top right corner. Go on, sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come on the dashboard and open your workflow builder of Pabbly Connect and follow me. Follow me till the end and learn how we're going to create this. Alright, so this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. So trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application we have to search for Instagram. So let's search for Instagram and select Instagram for business. For the event we have to select new media, post it in my account and click on this connect. So now if you have already created a connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect, go on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now we have to click on this connect with Instagram for business. And once we click on this connect with Instagram for business, a window something like this will appear in front of us. So it is really important that you connect your Facebook account with your Instagram account prior starting with this automation, and also it is really important that you log in your Facebook and Instagram account before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you're going to get the option of this continue. And once you get this option of continue, you have to click on this continue button and your Instagram for business account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the Instagram account to use and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just show you that Instagram for business is a pooling based application. So what do I mean by pooling based application? So over here, this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data. And over here in the case of Instagram for business, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. So if you wish to reduce or increase this time, you can left click on this application and go towards this set trigger time. You can reduce it minimum to 10 minutes and maximum to 24 hours. It totally depends upon you. I'm going to keep it as 10 minutes only and move on further. And now before we click on this save and send test request, we have to do a test submission so that Pabbly can capture the response for the same. So let's open our Instagram and we're going to do the test submission. So I'm going to go towards this create and then post. Now I'm going to upload the photo. So as you can see that this is the picture. Now let's adjust it a little. Click on this next, and once again if you wish you can definitely apply the filter and adjustments. I don't want to do so. I'm going to click on this next. I'm going to add the caption over here. I'm going to select the hashtags, and now I'm going to move on further and I'm going to share this post. So let's click on this share, and once I'm going to click on this share, yes, you're going to see the post is successfully posted on my Instagram account. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and yes, your post has been shared. So let's refresh this page and you're going to see yes, a post has been shared. So now let's open our workflow and switch off this simple response button, because if we enable the simple response button, sometime it may give the error. So switch it off and click on this save and send test request. And once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have successfully received the response. You're going to see all the details which we have received. Over here is the username, you're going to see the media type, you're going to see the media URL, and you're going to see the perma link. Also you're going to see this caption. So using this caption only, I am going to generate the post for my X. So I'm going to use my AI agent to shorten this and also make it sound like a X post, which is formerly Twitter. So let's click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for OpenAI. I'm going to use OpenAI, or you can say ChatGPT. In order to do this, you can use any another application like Gemini, Perplexity. Pabbly supports most of them. For the event, I'm going to select it as ChatGPT and click on this connect. So if you have already created a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and click on this OpenAI API key page, which is given in the text, and it is going to open this page. Go towards this create secret key, enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key has been created, so copy the key and paste it in your workflow. After you paste this key, you have to click on this button which says save, and yes, you have successfully connected ChatGPT with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the AI model, so I'm going to use GPT-5. You can use any another of your choice. Now for the prompt, I'm going to enter my prompt using which we're going to convert this Instagram caption which we have entered right now into a X post, which is formerly Twitter. So let's convert this by entering the prompt. So I'm going to enter my prompt, and now you're going to see that I've added the prompt, and I'm going to add the Instagram caption in this prompt so that you can see that we are going to generate the X caption using the same Instagram caption. And in the instructions, I've clearly mentioned that the maximum characters should be 280 only. It is really important that you mention it because this is the limit of X, which is formerly Twitter. So now let's add the Instagram caption, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So it is really important that we do mapping so that our workflow can run in real time. Now after entering this prompt and mapping the details, we have to click on this save and send test request, and now the new response will be captured and automatically that caption will be added right over here. And using the same details, my OpenAI is going to generate me the caption for the X platform, which is formerly Twitter. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. Still it is giving me the caption, and also I've mentioned that I want 5 relevant hashtags too. And you're going to see we have received the response, and in this message content is the caption we wished for. And you're going to see we have also received the hashtags. So now let's use this and post on X. So we have to click on this add new action step and select the action application as X, which is formerly Twitter. So I'm going to search for it and select it. Now for the event, I'm going to select it as create tweet and click on this connect. Same if you have already created a connection between X and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on add a new connection and then connect with X. It is asking for client ID and client secret. So to get this, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. Now once you click on this hyperlink, you're going to see a window something like this will appear in front of you. So scroll, and over here are all these steps using which you can connect your Twitter with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you can follow these steps and learn how to do this. First, you have to go towards this developer.twitter.com. After coming over here, you have to go towards the developer portal. And once you come on the developer portal, you have to build an app. And if you want to learn how to build an app, refer to this document. I have already built my app, so I'm directly going to go towards my app, keys and token, and over here is the client ID and the secret. So I'm going to copy both of these details and paste it right over here. So I'm just going to regenerate the client secret and I'm going to paste that too. After pasting both of these details, I'm going to click on this save, and once we're going to click on this save, we're going to see our X account will be connected. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and if you haven't logged in your X account prior starting to this automation, first it is going to ask you to log in and then only going to get this option to authorize the app. So as you can see that Pabbly is asking for some permissions. What you can do is you can click on this authorize app and give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now we have to enter the message. Alright, so I'm going to simply map the detail which OpenAI generated over here. Now it is asking me for 2 different details, which is the quote tweet ID, link to the tweet being quoted, or the direct message deep link. So if you wish, you can definitely add this, but both of this is not required, so I'm going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on X, which is formerly Twitter. So let's open our Twitter, go back towards the profile, and you're going to see that right now 10 seconds ago this has been posted, and this is the same which we generated using our OpenAI. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm going to post something on my Instagram, automatically using the same details, a new post will be posted on my X, which is formerly Twitter. If you wish, you can definitely add the link of your Instagram too. What you can do is you can go towards this X, and in this message you can definitely add the permalink of the Instagram post. You can simply look for the permalink. I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can simply map this permalink and click on the save and send test request. And now let's open our X and refresh this. And once we're going to refresh this, you're going to see a link has also been attached in this post, which will redirect to this Instagram post we have created. So if you wish to gain engagement on an Instagram post, you can definitely attach the permalink over here in your X too. So easy. easy, right? And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we are going to post something on Instagram, automatically the workflow is going to get triggered within 10 minutes. It will be posted on Twitter too. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just attach the workflow link in the description box below. You can access my workflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.